2014 Acura TL. Really beautiful car. Right there. He's gonna put some new rims on it and stuff like that. Got factory converters there, and a third cat there. We did a resonator delete in the middle, the big one. Then we left the small one. It comes with 2 resonators, just to cut down on drone and raspiness. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there, and kept the factory tips there and there. As you guys can see, there's the muffler we cut off, 2 mufflers, and there's the resonator. I don't know where the other muffler went. Oh, it was 2 mufflers. Oh, there it is over there. So like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Oh man, that sounds phenomenal. Woo! It's a special edition too. Yeah, that sounds good. Hell yeah, I like it. Here's sound decibels. 102. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds good. I like it. Acura TL Special Edition. You guys can see it's sexy. Let you guys hear on the inside. A nice clean sound to it now. Here.